Hello, welcome to the next episode of Mr. and Mrs. Chi. This week we have nothing much to do except household chores. So we decided to have a Korean Maggi Mee challenge. So this is the
super spicy ramen that will be our challenge today.
So this is the famous Samyang Korean noodle, which is famous for being the extremely hot and spicy Korean instant noodle in the market.
I think Mr. Chi has been wanting to try out this super hot noodle because he's actually someone who can take spicy. So with that, he actually want to put out a challenge with me because my spicy level is also not so bad. So he's actually trying to find out whose spicy level will be more higher through this challenge.
So right now we'll prepare the noodle and get the challenge prepared. Okay, we are back after preparing the Korean noodle.
Yes.
Korean instant noodle. So it is quite spicy from the way it looks. We haven't tried yet, but we managed to smell it and it is spicy.
It's very red in color.
You know, by smelling it, I'm sweating already. I should try my first. I should get the one with the more sauce on, so I can taste the ultimate power of the spiciness.
How is it?
I
think you need a tissue.
Quite spicy, and manageable lah, okay.
I shall try it out myself. Look at my expression, you will know. Not too much, but this is just nice.
Actually, the noodle texture is nice. It's a bit like ramen in instant noodle form, and the spicy came from the wet sauce itself, because the packaging comes with a wet sauce rather than a traditional powder form seasoning.
Okay, basically the noodle, like what Mr. Chi said, is very nice. The spiciness comes after you finish the mouthful of noodles. So you will slowly feel the kick after that.
Scissors, paper, stone!
I think you need another piece of tissue. Come on. Wow, it's really very hot. Mr. Chi is sweating a lot.
Okay,
The last few mouths.
we got 2 more tries.
Okay, why not you do it this way lah? Let's just finish the whole plate instead of playing scissors paper stone. And you're trying to push everything to the sauce area. Come on, man! Damn it! This is the sauce area. Okay, let's be fair. Come on, hands off. Okay, let's put everything into the mouth and get it done.
Cheers! Instant noodle style.
Yeah.
Wow, power sia.
You'll feel your whole mouth, your lips, even your throat is actually burning right now. So it's very hard for me to say a lot of things. It's very hard for me to speak because it's like It's burning, it's really burning.
If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to do any challenge, please WhatsApp us, email us, contact us.
Or even comment and let us know. We'll get it done.
And not we will get it done, okay? As long as within our means lah. It's doable, we'll do. And this is a pretty fun challenge. And with all this, bye bye.
Oh.